This is Patricia Bennett reporting for Naked Departure. It's a dangerous one. It's a M64 criminal. Our vehicles are avoiding the road. A lot of traffic coming out that way, direction. So what happens is that those trucks will wait, but the other cars, some of the cars, no wonder their wheels to be damaged. You have to be extremely careful. This needs to be fixed though, urgently. See those vehicles waiting until it's clear because they don't want to go. They don't want to. This is Trent's, guys, near the Trent's main roads. Nobody wants to go in that hole because that car is a very tiny car, so it doesn't want to take any chances. It's gonna wait for just wait until the traffic cleared and to move out. It's got a lot of inconvenience to the vehicles. It's rather deep. So the Ministry of Works, something needs to be done with that urgently.
Help me spread the word about Naked Departure via social media. Subscribe and share to show support and love for our channels.